Hi, and welcome to my TETA Talk. On this episode, I'm going to discuss parameters. Parameters describe features of a sound wave. There are 7 parameters that are required to characterize a sound wave. These 7 include frequency, intensity, power, period, propagation speed, amplitude, and wavelength. I'm going to dive deeper into 3 parameters. This includes amplitude, power, and intensity. These 3 parameters are called the bigness parameters. Let's start with amplitude. So when we're thinking about amplitude, let's think size. This is the bigness of the wave, above and below the baseline. The unit of measures of amplitude are any acoustic variables. So that includes pressure, density, and distance. Pressure is measured by pascals, density is measured by grams per cubic meter, and distance is measured by any type of distance like centimeters, inches, and feet. Amplitude is also measured in decibels. So the pressure amplitude ranges from 1 million pascals to 3 million pascals. It is determined by the sound source and is also adjustable by the sonographer. Next, we have power. When we think of power, think strength. Power is the rate at which energy is transferred or the rate at which work is done. The unit of measure of power is watts, and the clinically imaging values are 0.004 and 0.09 watts. This is also determined by the sound source and is also adjustable by the sonographer. And lastly, we have intensity. So when we think of intensity, think focus. Intensity is the concentration of energy in a sound beam. The unit of measured is watts per centimeter squared, and intensity can be calculated by dividing the power by the area. Clinically, imaging ranges from 0.01 to 300 watts per centimeter squared. This is also determined by the sound source and adjustable by the sonographer. So how are they all related? Well, intensity is directly proportionate to power, and power is directly proportionate to amplitude squared, which means intensity is also directly proportionate to amplitude squared. And that is all I have for those 3 bigness parameters. Thank you for listening.